Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I'm doing a really simple card for you using the Healing Hugs stamp set. This is one of the Distinktive stamp sets, so that means the stamps, when they stamp, they almost look real-like, more than like cartoony or drawn out. So this is a really pretty set. I'm going to be using this flower here with the leaves, this guy here, and then the sentiment, wishing you a quick and complete recovery. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to grab a piece of Whisper White cardstock. And this here is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. All right. And we're going to grab the big giant flower here. And I'm going to be stamping in Coastal Cabana ink. This is a nice bright color. It's really pretty. All right. And we're just going to ink this up. Okay. And I'm going to stamp this right in the center at the top. Isn't that pretty? And that's, we're going to need this, actually, we're going to still need the Coastal Cabana, so I'm just going to set that aside. And I'm going to grab my chamois and clean off my ink. And that's all clean and ready to be put away. All right, but you see how once it dries, see how it looks almost like a real flower? So pretty. All right, next I'm going to grab the Granny Apple Green ink pad, and I'm going to stamp the leaves. So I'm just going to ink these up, and actually I need a scrap piece. I might stamp off just a little bit. So I have some grid paper here. So I inked that up, and I'm just going to give this some leaves. Let's see. So let's go here, and let's put some up here. Just wherever, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to put some here. All right, that's it for that. Clean that guy off. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment in the Granny Apple Green. All right. So mine's, my stamp set is from the old catalog, so mine is a clear mount, but if you have the new cling mount, you will have the sticker so you can see where you're stamping. So I'm just going to line this up and do my best to get it straight right here at the bottom. There we go. Wishing you a quick and complete recovery. Isn't that so pretty? All right, clean that off. And that is all our stamping with the Granny Apple Green. Okay. Now I have a piece of Coastal Cabana cardstock, 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to fold it in half because this is our card base. Grab my bone folder here. Okay, and what I want to do is I'm going to grab that other, and I'm going to stamp in the Coastal Cabana, and I'm just kind of making it, I'm just kind of doing, let's see, let's go like this. Let's go 1, 2, 3, let's go 4. I'm just kind of doing a border. It's not anything exact. Let's go this guy right here. All right, that looks good to me. And we'll close up our Coastal Cabana. Let me clean this off with my chamois. All right, that's all clean. And now we'll put our card together. So all we're going to do for this stamp, or for this card, is I'm going to stick some adhesive on the back here. And this is going right in the middle, like so. And that's our card. Wishing you a quick and complete recovery. Sometimes with Get Well cards, they don't need a lot of bling or bells and whistles. Just simple like this. So there's your very simple card using the Healing Hugs stamp set. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.